A Newport Richey man couldn't believe what he saw parked outside a popular donut shop.
This guy stopped at Dunkin' Donuts.
The body of Army veteran Lieutenant Colonel Jesse Coleman was on the way to Lecanto for a service when a driver and a funeral director decided to make a stop.
What could they have been thinking? I haven't got the foggiest idea.
The president of Veterans Funeral Care says his core business is honoring vets, and this pit stop for a cup of joe goes against that.
That's absolutely terrible. It's not what we do. Absolutely total lack of respect.
This picture went viral when the photographer shared his video with a veteran service group.
That is one of my brothers or sisters.
Lauren Price says when she saw the picture, she called the funeral home herself.
I was physically ill when I saw that, and I was very upset.
Especially because her own service included funeral detail.
I've been on funerals where we had to travel for 4 hours to do a funeral in full uniform in the dead of summer in Florida. And we didn't stop to get coffee. We didn't stop for bathroom breaks. You just don't do that.
It's a rule. It's understood. You know, when a car is heading to a service, if there's more than 2 people in it, then it doesn't pull over.
Because of this, both employees have been let go.
I think if they had the ability to turn their day back, they'd do things differently.